going to get it and say, no, don't worry, I'm gonna get you and I'm gonna take care of it. I'm gonna seal everything for you. So we're gonna seal all the beads, frame, metals, you name it, but not on the crystal. Crystal, leave it alone. You can seal on the frame right here, metal around, but just leave all the crystal alone because you don't want to flood it. You don't want it covers all that sparkle and the cut. I think I have the little fur is stuck right here. I got it. And then seals here, seals here. They all seals good. Make sure run through the edges of the crystal. If you feel scratchy, like right here, you're gonna squeeze just that much. Little go a long way. You don't want to flood them all. And then if you feel like under here you still need more, like precision glue gel to catch it so then it won't catching on the client's hair, seals it one time and key it for 30 seconds and go back and seal it, you know, until the clients that feel no gap or no catching on the hair or the clothes. And then, oh, hold on, I'm sorry, just for 1 second, I'm gonna put this one on. I need the black crystal though. Can you give me that black? All the black bows. I have a black bows. Just in case my ultimate crystal kit's a little bit far away from me, I got this. The black bows. And inside the black bows had the super adorable is onyx. Cute crystal right here. So I can add it on right on the top. The contrast really nice. All right, here, don't mess it up. And we're gonna do precision glue on this one as well. Make sure in this one, and then also in this design, I didn't put any beads on. You know why? Because we have a lot of illuminating gels like dot in the nails, so I don't want it taken away from that beauty. However, if your clients love beads, metal beads, you can add it on to make her happy. It doesn't hurt anything at all, just make her happier. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit in here, right on the top of the bows. You don't have to if you don't want to. I just want to add something fun for the bows. And here's the onyx from the kits. Also on Ultimate Crystal Kits, if a lot of you will own the second one kit, it has a lot of gorgeous new colors. Is there? You own the first one, the second one will completely your collection. All right, so key for 60 seconds on this beauty. Move all of them on the sides for the second. Can't wait to show you. So you get really, really beautiful, gorgeous, exotics like Valentine looks. All right, here is the looks for this one. And if you have a hard time with the crystal placement and they are not going to stay, you do it 1 or 2 days, it's popping up. This is that I was highly recommend if you have to pick one item to check out Glitz first and then to really get a successful with your crystal placement. This will like stay in a concrete. It's not going anywhere until you probably have to get the clipper to clip it off. But otherwise your nail probably is gonna like break or come off before all your crystal is coming off. So this is 2 beauties that we did today. Let me tilt it down and let you see the lace like effects. Put this one on the side. Oh, I catch the pearl. I move on this one on the side.